How to fix Instagram not letting you log in. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix Instagram login issue. So let's get started. First, as you have to check your internet connection, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. A weak connection can block login. After that, you can look for the any update available for Instagram. Simply open App Store or Play Store. Now from here, search for Instagram. From here, if you find any update option, simply tap on that and update the latest version of Instagram. After that, your problem should be fixed. If you are still having the problem, you need to clear the cache of Instagram. For that, simply open settings. From settings, tap on general. Now from here, tap on iPhone storage. From here, find out the application Instagram and tap on that. Now from here, tap on upload app. Alright, simply tap on upload app. After you uploaded the Instagram, tap on reinstall app again. After you tap on that and clear the cache of Instagram, your problem should be fixed. You can get back to your Instagram app and try to relog in. If you are still having this problem, you need to just reset the password. Simply tap on forget password and recover it from there. After that, your problem should be surely fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.